plastic words. In 2 Peter chapter 2, Peter warns of false prophets who had come in the past and false teachers that would come to the church today. And he says they come exploiting people with false words, or the NIV says stories they have made up. The word translated false is plastos. It is the same word we get our word plastic from, and it means essentially the same thing as when we use the word plastic metaphorically. It began as a word for that which is moldable or molded, and then that which can be molded to fit any situation. In the case of words, it's words that are twisted depending on the audience to say whatever is needed to be said in that particular time. This is not what Paul was saying, or it does not oppose what Paul was saying when he said, I'm all things to all men. Whatever else Paul was saying by that, and I'll deal with that at another time, Paul was not saying we'll say anything to anybody to accomplish what we desire. These plastic words were driven by greed, Peter says. But in fact, anything that drives us to twist our words to fit the situation and the audience we're speaking to, not to communicate to them, but to exploit them, is wrong.